Looking to upgrade your bathroom without spending a fortune? In this video, we are counting down the best smart toilets in 2026 under $500 that deliver impressive features like heated seats, bidet functions, automatic flushing, and modern designs at a budget-friendly price. Whether you want better comfort, hygiene, or a luxury bathroom experience, we have found the top options worth considering. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details and pricing on all the smart toilets featured today. Number 5. The BCANHOME Smart Toilet SMT2232C delivers a premium bathroom experience with an impressive blend of modern technology, elegant styling, and everyday comfort. Its sleek, tankless design gives bathrooms a clean and contemporary appearance, while also saving valuable space. The bright LED display and soft ambient nightlight create a sophisticated atmosphere that feels both luxurious and practical. One of the standout features is the automatic sensor operation system. The lid opens automatically as you approach and closes softly after use, while the hands-free auto flush improves convenience and hygiene. This smart functionality makes daily use effortless and adds a high-end touch to any bathroom setup. Comfort is another major highlight of this smart toilet. The heated seat and warm dryer functions provide a relaxing experience, especially during colder months. The adjustable warm water bidet includes front and rear cleansing options, massage modes, and customizable water pressure for a refreshing and personalized clean. The self-cleaning stainless steel nozzle also helps maintain excellent hygiene after every use. The toilet is also designed with durability and safety in mind. Its premium ceramic construction features an anti-stain glaze that keeps the bowl cleaner for longer, while the quiet siphon jet flush ensures powerful performance without excessive noise. The advanced safety protection system includes overheating prevention, anti-scald protection, leakage prevention, and flame-retardant materials for added peace of mind. With remote control access, energy-saving eco mode, memory settings, and easy installation, the BCANHOME Smart Toilet SMT2232C offers outstanding value for anyone seeking a comfortable and feature-rich smart bathroom upgrade. Number 4. The DeerValley DV1S0019 Smart Bidet Toilet combines modern convenience, elegant styling, and advanced hygiene features into one impressive bathroom upgrade. Its sleek one-piece tankless design creates a clean and contemporary appearance, while also helping save space in smaller or modern bathrooms. The elongated ADA Comfort Height seat makes sitting and standing easier, offering excellent support for seniors, taller adults, and anyone looking for a more comfortable daily experience. One of the biggest highlights is the powerful MAP 1000G flush system. With efficient 1.28 GPF performance, this smart toilet delivers strong and reliable flushing power while maintaining water efficiency. The FootKick Auto Flush, off-seat automatic flushing, and remote control operation create a completely touch-free experience that improves convenience and hygiene. Comfort features are another major advantage of this model. The heated seat and warm dryer system offers 4 adjustable heat levels, along with a customizable warm air dryer for a relaxing spa-like experience. The continuous warm water bidet includes lady wash, rear wash, and massage cleaning modes, allowing users to personalize every cleaning cycle. The nano antibacterial self-cleaning nozzle also helps maintain a cleaner and more sanitary environment after each use. The DeerValley DV1S0019 also stands out with its hands-free smart features. The automatic lid opening and closing system, quiet close seat, soft blue LED nightlight, and 3 user memory settings make daily operation effortless and family-friendly. Even during power outages, the manual side knob allows emergency flushing for added reliability. Overall, this smart toilet delivers an outstanding combination of comfort, technology, hygiene, and modern design for today's bathrooms. Number 3. The Sinoxys Sano W4 Smart Toilet delivers a premium bathroom experience with an impressive combination of intelligent technology, modern aesthetics, and luxurious comfort. Its sleek, tankless design with a stylish dual-tone finish instantly upgrades the appearance of any contemporary bathroom, while also saving space. The automatic lid opening and soft closing system create a completely touch-free experience that feels both hygienic and sophisticated. One of the standout features is the intelligent multi-control system. Users can operate the toilet using the wireless remote, responsive foot sensor, or dual rotary knobs for maximum convenience. The foot-sensing controls make flushing and seat lifting effortless, while the smart recognition system automatically selects the appropriate flush mode for a cleaner and more efficient performance. The powerful Cyclone Flush System with 1.28 GPF ensures strong cleaning capability while remaining eco-friendly. Comfort is another major strength of the Sano W4. The instant heating and warm air dryer functions provide soothing warmth during every season. The heated seat, adjustable warm water cleansing, and customizable air dryer create a spa-like experience right at home. The self-cleaning stainless steel nozzle also improves hygiene while maintaining freshness after every use. The toilet also excels in safety and convenience with its smart memory and safety protection features. It remembers your preferred settings automatically and displays important information through the LED screen. The gentle nightlight, quiet close seat, blackout flush system, and child mode make it ideal for families. Built with anti-leakage, overheating, flame retardant, and freeze protection systems, the Sinoxys Sano W4 offers dependable long-term performance and peace of mind. Overall, this smart toilet combines luxury, innovation, and reliability into one outstanding bathroom upgrade. Number 2. The Sinoxys Sano U2 Smart Toilet delivers a luxurious and highly modern bathroom experience with an impressive combination of smart technology, elegant styling, and personalized comfort. Its sleek white tankless design instantly enhances the appearance of any contemporary bathroom, while also providing a clean and space-saving layout. From the moment you approach, the automatic lid opening and closing system creates a completely touch-free experience that feels both hygienic and sophisticated. One of the most impressive features is the personalized cleansing experience. The smart bidet system offers adjustable water pressure, spray position, and temperature settings along with multiple washing modes for customized comfort. The self-cleaning stainless steel nozzle helps maintain excellent hygiene, while the warm air dryer provides a refreshing and convenient finishing touch after every use. Comfort is another major highlight of the Sano U2. The heated seat and warm dryer system keeps every bathroom visit cozy and relaxing, especially during colder months. The intelligent temperature controls and LED display allow users to easily monitor and customize settings through either the wireless remote or the convenient side knob. The quiet soft close seat and gentle night light also add to the premium user experience by creating a calm and peaceful atmosphere day or night. The toilet also stands out with its luxury smart features. The built-in deodorizer and 64-color ambient lighting system transform the bathroom into a relaxing spa-like environment. Foot-sensing controls allow touch-free flushing and seat operation, while the powerful 1.28 GPF Auto Flush keeps the bowl clean efficiently. With advanced safety protections, durable construction, and simple installation, the Sinoxys Sano U2 Smart Toilet offers exceptional value for anyone seeking comfort, convenience, and modern luxury in one elegant package. Number 1. The Sinoxys Sano U2 Smart Toilet delivers an exceptional blend of luxury, smart technology, and modern bathroom comfort. Its sleek tankless design and elegant ceramic white finish create a sophisticated appearance that instantly upgrades any contemporary bathroom. The automatic lid opening and soft closing system provide a completely touch-free experience, improving hygiene while adding a premium feel to everyday use. One of the biggest highlights is the personalized cleansing experience. Users can customize water pressure, spray position, and temperature for maximum comfort. The self-cleaning stainless steel nozzle ensures a cleaner and more hygienic wash every time, while the warm air dryer adds convenience and eliminates the need for excess toilet paper. The heated seat also creates a relaxing spa-like experience during colder seasons. The Sano U2 stands out with its smart recognition and foot control system. The intelligent foot sensor allows users to flush or lift the seat with simple motion-activated controls for completely hands-free operation. The automatic seat leave flush keeps the bowl clean without requiring contact, while the Smart Flush Recognition System selects the proper flush mode automatically for better efficiency. Another impressive feature is the ambient lighting and luxury aroma system. The customizable ambient lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere, while the built-in fragrance system keeps the bathroom smelling fresh and inviting. The quiet closed lid and gentle nightlight also improve nighttime convenience without disturbing others in the home. With advanced safety protections, blackout emergency flush capability, energy-saving modes, and intuitive controls through the LED display or wireless remote, the Sinoxys Sano U2 Smart Toilet combines reliability, comfort, and innovation into one beautifully designed bathroom upgrade for modern living. Thank you for watching our guide to the best smart toilets in 2026 under $500. We hope this video helped you find the perfect balance of comfort, smart features, and value for your bathroom upgrade. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more top product reviews and buying guides. Let us know in the comments which smart toilet impressed you the most. Also, do not forget to check the links in the description for more information and current prices.